Hey everyone, I want to show some new block designs and overall UX improvements we're working on. So these are stream inputs. It's still work in progress. We're gonna work on the numbers, but and labeling. But I want to show you kind of the concept for the different basic interfaces that we have on blocks and the body and kind of visual language. So stream inputs, everything that has the pink pink shader is basically a connector. The stream output, and when there's yellow around it, also that means that it receives streams, jolts. Like this, we should probably remove the yellow here on the base, but this way you can see that it's a stream and it can also receive jolt inputs. This is an oscillator. Here will be a picture of the type of waveform. And this thing here will also be moving as well as this thing here. Okay. Next is this is math block. Can do all these sorts of operations. A map, S to E. Have a look, and here you can see the jolt, new jolt output. It has a little chupchik here. Feels pretty good. Now, when you disconnect a lonely pass block will just disappear. Moving over to jolt blocks. This is an operator. We will probably add some animation here inside to show data flow, but we still don't have a solution for that. Here you can change the type with the interface here or with the input in the back. They all have this transparent look. So main input, primary input is always on the left, primary output always on the right. This if else. This is a constant. This input triggers the constant. Maybe it should be here, possibly, because it only has one. Random. So we used to have on random, and a bunch of blocks would have like a button on top and a place that you can change the max number on the random. Now we're trying to do that. You can this triggers this number and this sets this number. So this is like the max number. It will go between 9 and 0, and you just go inside and tap trigger. That's how you audition for blocks that they're useful to audition them. We can use that. And also displays the number. Here is a function block. You see, it's just like main input and the selector. This is this is the random. A map, jolt map, looks more or less like this, just with a different style. And new sequence blocks. So instead of having a lot of like 3 different sequence blocks, we decided to do actually two. One that has all the different features that we know. It's basically either by index. So I'll show you. Okay, so now this sends. Okay, it doesn't work, but it should work. Ah, there you go. Okay, it sends through here. Or through here. and loop will alternate, random will just randomize, and all is like the order block. So all of these are the same. We will add more detail here, like adding the number and so on, maybe some more animation. But now we also have a reverse sequence. This new block will be called root, and this is reverse root. So you can select the input. And if I move here, you see it doesn't trigger. So you can select which input to do. And we also have one version that you select which from which place to transfer the data, and the other version is it will output the number of the index. So that's kind of like this style. As I said before, we will try to add more design inside of these to show a bit more explanatory what's going on. That's it for now. Would love the feedback if you like the style, if you think it's an improvement. Yeah, the idea is that these are more like glassy electrical circuit silicone vibe, and this is more like pressure pipes that can kind of withstand more pressure since the streams are going through constantly in a high rate, and this is like all very momentary stuff. That was the idea. I think we will have an outline just like this one for the rest of these, so they're a bit easier to read. And all of those should be colorable. I don't know if they are right now. I think not yet. No. But they will be. Oh yeah, there's also these new input dials. Jolt input dials. Yeah. That's it for now. Would love some feedback to make sure that we're on the right track. Let me know what you guys think. Please be honest, and talk to you soon.